Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or started a sentence and suddenly lost your train of thought? If you're over 60, moments like these can feel frustrating, even worrying. But here's the truth: brain fog is not a permanent condition, and you are not losing your mind. In most cases, it's simply your brain asking for better circulation, gentle stimulation, and a little daily nourishment. And today, I'm going to guide you through 6 simple movements that can clear brain fog, improve focus, and help your mind feel sharper, lighter, and more alive, all in just a few minutes a day. You don't need any equipment. You don't need fancy routines. These are movements designed specifically for older adults, gentle, safe, and powerful. Think of them as a refreshing breeze flowing through your mind, clearing mental clutter and waking up areas of your brain that have been running on low power. Let's begin with the first move, deep diaphragmatic breathing. It may not look like exercise, but it's one of the fastest ways to bring more oxygen to your brain. Oxygen is brain fuel, and deep breathing increases blood flow instantly. Sit comfortably or stand tall. Place one hand on your belly. Inhale through your nose slowly for 4 seconds, letting your belly rise. Hold for a moment. Then exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 10 rounds. As you do, imagine fog lifting from your mind. This simple shift activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part that calms you and clears mental noise. You'll feel more alert without feeling stressed. Our second move is neck mobility rotation. So much brain fog comes from tension, especially in the neck and shoulders. When your neck muscles tighten, they restrict blood flow to the brain. To release this tension, sit or stand with your back straight. Slowly turn your head to the right as far as is comfortable. Hold for 2 seconds. Then slowly turn your head to the left. Do this 10 times. Next, gently lower your chin toward your chest, then raise your head and look slightly upward. Finally, tilt your ear toward your shoulder on each side. Move slowly and breathe. These movements restore blood circulation to the brain and relieve the tightness that often leads to cloudy thinking and headaches. Move 3 is something seniors absolutely love because it wakes up the entire body, seated marching with arm swings. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair. Lift one knee, then the other, as if marching in place. Add gentle arm swings. Move at a comfortable pace for 1 minute. This rhythmic motion pumps fresh blood to your brain and helps balance your hormones. It's especially helpful in the morning when many older adults experience grogginess. Within seconds, your energy rises, your thoughts become clearer, and your focus improves. It's like pressing the reset button on your brain. Our fourth movement is brain activation tapping, a simple technique used in many cultures to stimulate alertness. Use your fingertips to gently tap around your skull, starting at the forehead and moving toward the sides, then the back of your head. Tap lightly, not hard. This stimulates acupressure points, increases circulation, and activates the prefrontal cortex, the center of focus and decision-making. Many seniors say this instantly wakes them up mentally, especially on days when their mind feels slow or scattered. You can do this anytime, before reading, before driving, or whenever you need a quick mental lift. Now let's move to the fifth exercise, cross-body movements. These are scientifically shown to improve communication between the left and right sides of the brain. When both hemispheres work together, memory improves, thinking becomes clearer, and problem-solving becomes easier. Stand or sit tall. Lift your right knee and touch it with your left hand. Then switch left knee to right hand. Move slowly but rhythmically for 1 to 2 minutes. This movement strengthens the brain's coordination center, enhances concentration, and sharpens mental clarity. It's amazing how powerful this simple action is. Many seniors tell me this is the movement that helps them think more clearly throughout the day. And now we come to the sixth and final move, the forward fold stretch, also known as the brain refresh. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward from your hips, letting your arms hang down comfortably. If you can't bend far, bend just a little. What matters is the gentle release. Let your head hang so gravity can increase blood flow to your brain. Take 3 deep breaths here. Then roll up slowly, stacking each vertebra. This movement relieves tension along the spine, increases oxygen to the brain, and provides instant mental relief. Many people feel calmer, lighter, and more mentally awake after just one forward fold. Now, imagine doing these 6 movements together: deep breathing, neck mobility, seated marching, tapping, cross-body motions, and a gentle forward fold. You've just given your brain the equivalent of a refreshing, cleansing shower. Your neurons start firing more efficiently. Your cognitive fog lifts. Your focus sharpens. And you feel more connected to your thoughts and to your day. The beauty of these movements is how simple they are. You don't have to be flexible. You don't have to be strong. You just have to move slowly, intentionally, and with kindness toward yourself. Brain fog is not a sign you're aging badly. It's a sign your brain needs nourishment, movement, oxygen, gentle stimulation, and a return to calm. Do these 6 moves daily, and you'll notice changes within a week. Sharper mornings, better memory, easier conversations, improved confidence, and a mind that feels younger and more alive. Before we finish, here's something important to remember. A clear mind isn't just about thinking better. It's about living better. When your thoughts are sharp, you make decisions more easily. You feel more motivated. You enjoy your relationships. You laugh more. You stay independent for longer. Your life feels richer and fuller. And that is what true healthy aging is all about. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to join our warm and growing community. Subscribe to this channel for more gentle, science-backed guidance designed specifically for seniors who want to stay strong, calm, focused, and full of vitality. Your mind is a powerful gift, and with a little daily care, it can stay bright and clear for many years to come. Thank you for spending this time with me, and remember, your best days are not behind you. They are still ahead, waiting for you with clarity and confidence.